All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Hello my Hive Tribe, it's Queenie Urbane and welcome back to the channel. Are you sick of your clothes fitting you sloppily? Feeling like the outfit online looks different than the outfit you're wearing currently? Or like there's just false advertisement everywhere. It's impossible to have your clothes fit you in the way that you want it to fit due to your size or whatever preconceived notion you have in regards to the way you present yourself on a day-to-day basis. If you are tired of those things, I have something that can absolutely change the game for you. Here I have the BUSTIES Breast Tape Kit. This kit was sent to me by BUSTIES brand. This video is not sponsored, however, this item was sent to me by the Get Busties brand to review for free. I'm going to give my authentic opinion on this tape and as well as how I think this could change your wardrobe because we not doing no more sloppy clothes all 2023. If you are serious about your feminine walk and feminine journey, then presentation is very important and you need to invest more in your breast tape and undergarments. And I'm only bringing this up because I was a plus size queen at a point of time. I am not someone who has been skinny their whole life. There was a time where I did gain a lot of weight due to stress and things going on in my life, which I can show here. And at that time, I was my sloppiest in wardrobe. I can empathize with the fact that, you know, when there's extra of everything, it's harder to get it all in place. And if I knew about this tape, I would have used it and probably presented myself a lot better, making me feel better. On that note, let's dive into the unboxing of the BUSTIES Breast Kit Tape. We're gonna unbox this. Your tatas called. They needed a lift. LOL. The box states that this company is cruelty-free, locally owned. They're in support of American Breast Cancer Fund, meaning a portion of your purchase has been donated to the American Breast Cancer Foundation. It is October, so it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And my club is doing a breast cancer walk on the 16th. So I'm so glad to have a product that supports breast cancer. Pasties. More pasties. I guess silicone pasties, and this is a different material pasties. Instructions on how to apply. A BUSTIES tape storage bag. I love that. I love when products come with a storage bag because, you know, you need to store it, and I think some companies don't think about that, but I'm really happy that this one did. And then of course the tape. This is how the tape looks. DJ
I believed everything we had was last. You're naive, I'm made to choose from your past. You're made to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. You wish me to compete when you cheat with those women. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Cause I realize I got me, myself, and I. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need.
and then I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other side and give my final thoughts on the item. Okay guys, so this is the final results. I do have the Bustie tape on there. As you can see, excuse me Lord for showing my body. I do believe that the item actually works. Does it do what it claims, which is lift up your breast and protect your chest area from not looking so sloppy and all over the place, really covering everything so that your garments fit correctly how you intended for it to fit? I think it absolutely does the job. This shirt I always struggle to wear, like I'm talking about straps are always showing whenever I wear it, so I just decided to hang this shirt up and not wear it anymore. It's not that expensive. It's a little cute top that I got from Shein, but now that I have this tape, I can definitely, you know, wear the tops that I like now without worrying about you know, breast spillage. So that's really awesome. I also think for the price, you can't beat it. This kit comes with a lot of stuff. It comes with nipple covers, it comes with silicone and the material of the tape. I also like that it comes with this little travel bag right here, so you can take your tape with you on the go. So if you have a little vacation, those little risque outfits you buy from you know, any little shop like Shein or Pretty Little Things, you know, you don't have to worry about how is this weirdly shaped top going to fit me and how am I going to protect myself and keep myself covered, because usually girls would not wear any areola covers at all and they'll just be out here, you know, guns blazing at people. And for me personally, I want to take a more modest approach to my femininity, and I'm noticing a difference between sexy and classy, between too much and just enough. And I think you can wear beautiful outfits that show skin and texture and, you know, your shape, but you know, if you present it in a certain way, it looks less trashy and more classy. So I definitely think the breast tape will help with that. I can wear more tops because this is the only top that I have actually that's risque like this. Like, I changed my overall wardrobe to be more cohesive with my image of modesty and just being a classier woman. So now that I know I can wear these type of tops because I have this type of tape, I will. And I think you should get this tape as well. This tape can be purchased on Amazon.com. The link is listed below. Be sure to check it out. That is my final review. If I'm going to give this a 1 out of 10, I would definitely give this a 9. I think it's definitely very good. The only thing that is opposite of his claims was I was able to move the tape around. So the tape can move around, which honestly is still a pro, because of the fact that if this is your first time doing it and you don't know how to really lay the tape down, then you would want that flexibility to lift it up and put it down. But I did notice that you can kind of only do that like once or twice and then it gets stuck in its position. So be aware of that. This item is definitely usable. It's definitely good for you in your journey, and you'll present yourself so much better using tapes, you know, when you struggle to find the right bra for your outfit. So overall, this product, it's Queenie approved. I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.
And it ain't no need to cry, 'cause out there from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling, you say that you love